Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life.
What is up, guys? We are finally putting the icing on the cake here on Steph's machine. Creep, the 21 Trails and Rocks. The cage is sitting right outside the garage door as we speak. We've got her cage just kind of chilling right there, ready to be swapped out. So her cage was built by Lou at FAR Offroad. I'm gonna have all his contact information in the description below. I'm also going to put a link to his Facebook, so check that out. Give him a follow. So it doesn't matter what machine you got. I mean, it could be a Wildcat, it could be a RZR XP. I mean, he can build a custom cage for you. Bumpers, tree kickers. He's gonna probably be looking into starting to do some high doors, which is something Steph might want down the line here. He is also a mechanic. He'll fix, upgrade your side-by-side. He does lift kits on trucks. While we were there picking up the cage, he was fixing a golf cart. He's fabbing up a big ramp system to go on the back of his truck to haul his machine. So he literally does it all. You just got to contact him, you know, tell him what you're looking for, and you know, he'll work with you on the design, and then he turns it into reality. That's what we did with Steph's. We've been talking to him for a while. She had very specific things she wanted on her new cage, so he came up with this killer design, and now it's happening. It's going on the machine. So I'm gonna throw you guys to a little installation montage. We're gonna get this thing all done, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. And I'm telling you, it's quite the transformation that's about to happen.
This thing looks ridiculous.
Holy fuck.
Dude. I think I'm getting out of the garage now.
Alright guys, we still have a little work to do in the front here, but we got to this point, and then we have a seat in, we got the seat belts in, everything torqued down. So this is the first time Steph gets to sit in the machine with a new cage. So we took a break from working, and I decided to film her against her will getting in the machine for the first time with the new cage. Okay, you can get in now. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice.
So we still got to get that front together. Got to get the radio stuff back on. And then I'll catch back up with you guys tomorrow when it's light out and we can get this thing out in the sun. This will be the first time it's leaving the garage, because with that drop, now we can just drive out without having to flatten the tires or anything like that. Hey guys, I'm just gonna pop in here real quick because we got big news for the channel. We are now officially an affiliate for G-Life UTV. G-Life UTV, they carry a bunch of the top brands in the industry right now. We're talking Sandcraft, DRT, Rugged Radios, Evo, RPM. That's just to name a few. This is just another step we're taking to keep the channel growing. So how this will work is all of our YouTube videos in the description, we're gonna have a G-Life UTV affiliate link. And then if there's a part that you're looking to buy, you click that link and then you purchase it through that link from G-Life UTV. And then that will give our channel a small kickback on that. Anything that we make off of doing this affiliate link, I mean, it's going right back into the channel. All right, guys, I just wanted to give you guys that news. Back to the video. All right, guys, next morning, we're ready to see this machine out in the sun. This is gonna be the first time Steph drives this machine since putting on the cage, obviously, the A-arms, the new springs, anything else?
Tires.
New tires. So, we know we still have to do spring adjustments, probably alignment adjustments, but first thing was just getting the cage on and getting it out of the garage. So, going for the first ride right now. And then I will show you guys more of the cage out in the sunlight. And yeah, see you there. All right, clearance issues, no more. This thing looks so good. This is so cool. It looks so menacing. Every time I look at it, all I want to keep talking about is how great it looks. But this is gonna be a whole lot safer for Steph now too. Whole cage, 120 wall DOM tubing. The factory cage is trash. I mean, besides how ugly it is, it's just not very strong. And the places we like to go ride, you know, bad things can happen pretty quickly. So having a stronger cage was a priority. One of her big things, she wanted the slight radius on this top bar, 8-inch drop. She had to have handles. And then the bumper tie-in, that was another thing that she really wanted and was pretty set on having. These double B pillars was another one that she wanted. She kind of went back and forth and then decided she did want the B pillars. And yeah, I think it was a good choice. I don't know how good it's gonna show up on camera, but this powder coat, it's called Cosmic White. And when you hit it in different lighting, it kind of changes colors. It has like a pearl type effect to it and like a little glittery. It looks really cool in person. I don't know how it's going to show up on film. The color combo it just works. We do have some extra Cosmic White powder coat that I think we are going to get these rings done in. So that'll look real nice. The blues are technically not the same, but they look damn close. Polaris blue, Manhattan blue. All this powder is fresh, so that's why we don't have the roof fully tightened down yet. We're letting that cure, I guess. I don't know what the word is for it, but that's why that's like that. We stayed up late and got her radio in, and then she does have the Click 6 harnesses. So Lou at FAR Offroad, he put the tabs right on the cage for us, so it's just like bolting it on the stock cage. So that worked out real good. So again, another big shout out to Lou at FAR Offroad. He turned Steph's vision into reality here, and yeah, just did a killer job. Super pumped about this. Still got to do the suspension adjustments, maybe a little alignment, and then yeah, we need to get out and test all the machines with all these new parts. Hoping to hit up the Cliffs in Illinois because that's the closest to us, and then we have our first big trip going to Tackett Creek, maybe hit up some Royal Blue. We'll be down there April 7th to the 15th or something like that. So if you see us out there, say hi. We should have some stickers with us. We've only done Brimstone and Windrock. We haven't done any of the TWRA trails, so it's gonna be all new to us. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you go check out Lou at FAR Offroad. Everything to find him will be in the description below. And don't forget, if you're looking for parts, check out our G-Life UTV affiliate link. We appreciate that big time. And thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Oh my God! Thank you!
You're welcome.
Thank you! You're welcome!
Thank you.
You're welcome!